Now it's available McAfee Car's Renault Capture in grey color. It's on 17-inch alloy wheels. It's got rear parking sensors. Let's have a look inside the car. It's got a black velour interior with 5 headrests, electric windows on the back, electric windows on the front, and also electric mirrors. It's got a multifunction steering wheel with cruise control and Bluetooth. It's got a sat-nav, air conditioning, climate control, start-stop button, automatic transmission, and for your safety airbags on the front and on the back. To book a test and get more information about this car, please give us a call.